Hello everyone, this is Luoyang Industry. Now we are do the hot stick fitting of our ruler and bearing. We can have a look. Now the ruler is hotted for 2 hours, and this is the outline of the bearing. Firstly, we will clean out the surface, and then put the outline of the bearing into the ruler. Okay, this is the plate, the cover plate. Now it's still very hot, and the inner diameter is also larger. Okay, now one ruler with the 2 bearing outline assembly have been finished.